Hey guys, welcome back to Easy Internet, and in today's video we are going to look on how to remove WhatsApp button from Facebook. First, open up your Facebook account, tap on your profile, then tap here and switch to your professional account. Tap on your profile, tap here, then tap on the three dots, tap on Add Action button, then select the option Edit Buttons and uncheck this option to remove WhatsApp button and then tap on Save. Now you have successfully removed the WhatsApp button from Facebook. I hope this video has helped you. Do like, share and subscribe to Easy Internet for more such videos. Thanks for watching.